Dicker Eggbusson is one of Nollywood's sensations. After years of acting and sizzling plays in the various roles that came her path, Dicker delivered and captivated audiences all the time. Months back, Dicker delivered A Bouncing Baby Girl and the couple issued the statement below. The couple is excitedly waiting for the arrival of the bundle of joy, while the grandfather-to-be, business mogul and politician, Chief Harry Ackland has penciled down a private jet to convey him out of the country as soon as the baby arrives. Months down the line and after a long oblivion, Dicker finally stepped out in the public domain for the premiere of Inédit's movie, I'll Take My Chances. Check out these images.